Hello! In front of me I have Lenovo Watch S2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from an iPhone. First we need to open the Lenovo smartwatch application on our iPhone. Let me close this. Open the app. In the app you should see the Have Data page. Now tap on Personal Center. Select Watch S2 Pro from the list. Here tap on Remove Device. Then tap on Confirm. Tap on OK. And now the watch should disappear from the list. Now close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, open the Bluetooth settings. Look for the Watch S2 Pro on the list. If it is on the list, tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget Device and tap on Forget Device to remove it from the list of connected devices. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. You can confirm it by waking up the screen on your watch, swiping downwards from the top of the screen, and this icon next to the battery icon will be red. That means that the watch is disconnected from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.